Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Lexol Leather Cleaner is probably one of the most popular leather care products on the market, and for good reason. It's incredibly effective at cleaning and conditioning leather, leaving it soft, supple, and protected from the elements. This detailed review will explore its features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for your leather goods, whether it's your favorite pair of boots, your classic leather jacket, or your luxurious leather car seats. Number 5. Lexol Leather Care Kit. This kit is your complete solution for cleaning and conditioning all your leather goods. It's perfect for car seats, furniture, and more. You'll receive 2 8-ounce bottles, 1 cleaner and 1 conditioner, plus 2 application sponges for easy use. The cleaner gently removes dirt and oil without harsh chemicals, leaving your leather feeling refreshed. The conditioner replenishes moisture, restoring softness and suppleness to your leather. It helps prolong the life of your leather goods. It's not just for cars. Use it on couches, boots, jackets, baseball gloves, anywhere you have finished leather. First, clean your leather with the cleaner, then follow up with the conditioner for best results. It's that simple. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to clean and condition your leather. It's pH balanced, so it's gentle on your leather. If you're looking for a complete solution to keep your leather looking its best, this is the one for you. What people say. After cleaning and conditioning, the leather was so much softer and shiny. The cleaner didn't cause any discoloration either, which is great. Kit includes cleaning pads for ease of use too. But now that my new car has gone through 4 seasons, I can say this stuff works well, and more importantly, it's not a pain in the butt to put on. Not a wrinkle in the seats after a year, and I know I used to take care of my last car diligently and the leather was warping within months of the weather from where I live. This stuff was on sale for $11 and worked great. It was easy to use, didn't have much of a smell, and was quick. I did an entire couch, chair, and ottoman and still have plenty left. Didn't leave any residue behind. Number 4. Lexol Leather Care Kit. This kit provides a simple 2-step process for cleaning and conditioning your leather goods. It's trusted since 1933 and perfect for car interiors, furniture, and more. First, use the cleaner to easily wipe away dirt and grime. It leaves no residue and is safe for all types of leather. Next, apply the conditioner to restore and protect your leather. It leaves it soft and supple, extending its life. It's ideal for car seats, but it's also safe for shoes, bags, and other leather accessories. Give your leather the care it deserves. The kit includes 2 16.9-ounce bottles, 1 cleaner and 1 conditioner, plus 2 premium applicator sponges for easy use. Everything you need is right here. For nearly a century, Lexol has been a trusted name in leather care. Experience the difference of quality and tradition. What we like. With its larger bottles, this kit will last you a long time. It leaves no greasy residue behind. If you value a trusted brand with a long history of quality, this is a great choice. What people say. My jacket wasn't super dirty, but the Step 1 cleaner still took off a decent amount of surface grime, and the jacket looked fantastic after. It looked better than brand new and had a nice soft sheen to it. The conditioner is not too greasy and left the jacket feeling soft and butter smooth. I was very impressed at the amount of dirt the cleaner lifted off the leather, especially the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The conditioner went on easily and left my seats, armrests, dashboard, and steering wheel soft and beautiful. Number 3. Lexol All Leather Conditioner. This is Lexol All Leather Conditioner, a multi-purpose conditioner that helps preserve and protect your leather goods. It's the perfect way to keep your leather looking and feeling its best. Its unique formula contains fine oil droplets that quickly absorb, restoring flexibility and preventing cracking. You'll notice a soft, supple feel without any greasy residue. It's ideal for car seats and interiors, but it's also perfect for couches, shoes, jackets, and more. It extends the life of all your leather items. This conditioner goes beyond just car care. Use it on your leather furniture, shoes, bags, anywhere you want to keep your leather looking great. For best results, use it with Lexol All Leather Cleaner. Together, they provide complete leather care you can trust. It's a two-step process for lasting protection. Lexol All Leather Conditioner helps protect your valuable leather goods. Keep your leather looking its best for years to come. What we like. This conditioner is perfect for restoring softness to your leather goods. It's absorbed quickly and leaves no greasy residue. If you are looking for a way to keep your leather supple and crack-free, this is the product for you. What people say. This is my go-to leather conditioner for all of my leather products, from my leather jacket, to leather briefcase, leather journal cover, baseball glove, leather wallet, and of course, leather shoes. The conditioner is penetrating enough to condition thicker leathers, such as a baseball glove, to more delicate ones such as Napa leather on one of my shoes. It does not discolor light-colored leather, leaves no residue, is easy to apply and leaves no residual scent. A liquid leather restorer. I have a leather hat that begun drying out. The product improves the suppleness of the leather. It is easy to use and takes a small amount of it to improve the texture of the leather. This is by far the easiest to use and with the best results. Thicker consistency, easy to use, very little residue, soaks in quickly and nearly completely. Darkens the leather just a bit, but really is just restoring it to original depth of color. Number 2. Lexol All Leather Conditioner. This is Lexol All Leather Conditioner, designed to protect and preserve your leather goods. It's the perfect solution for keeping your leather supple and lasting longer. It deeply conditions your leather, restoring its flexibility without leaving any greasy residue. This means your leather will look and feel its best for years to come. The unique formula contains fine oil droplets that are easily absorbed, leaving your leather soft and supple to the touch. It's the secret to keeping your leather looking new. Regular use helps to prolong the life of your leather items. It's an investment in the longevity of your favorite leather goods. It's great for car interiors, furniture, bags, shoes, and more. This one product can take care of all your leather conditioning needs. The easy-to-use cap helps you control how much you use, making applications simple and mess-free. Enjoy the convenience and effectiveness of this superior leather conditioner. What we like. This large bottle provides deep conditioning for your leather. It will keep your leather supple and crack-free for a long time. If you want a large quantity of conditioner for multiple projects, this is the best option. What people say. Lexol quickly works into seams and tight areas and absorbs fairly fast. Leather was still supple the day after. I have used this leather conditioner for many years. It has always performed very well. It's very thick when it comes out of the bottle, makes the leather soft and like new in appearance. The result is remarkable. The color of the leather seems more vibrant and it has a shine actually. Ultimately, this is protective of the leather and will make it last a lot longer. In the meantime, it makes the leather look richer. Number 1. Lexol Leather Quick Care Wipes. Say hello to the easiest way to clean and care for your leather. These convenient wipes make maintaining your leather goods a breeze. Simply wipe to clean and condition your leather. It's that easy. It's specially formulated with oils to keep your leather supple and enhance its natural beauty. Plus, it protects against sun damage. The non-darkening formula is perfect for all your leather goods, even light-colored ones. With 28 wipes in each pack, you'll always be prepared to keep your leather looking its best. It cleans, conditions, and protects all in one simple step. Trust Lexol to keep your leather looking its best for years to come. It's the perfect solution for all your leather care needs. What we like. These convenient wipes make leather care a breeze. They clean, condition, and protect, all in one easy step. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to care for your leather, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Really like this product. We have lighter leather seats that get discolored use. These wipe not only soften and moisturize the seats, it gets all the discolorization off the seats and returns them to their original color. I use this product on my iPhone leather case. When I first got the case it felt a little dry. I used this product on it and it feels more supple and hydrated. It was a new case, so after I wiped the excess product off, I didn't notice any residue on the cloth, so it doesn't appear to ruin color or finish or anything. Works well on leather products, doesn't leave any residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.